sucker for room tours, for all things interior, staycations, vacation rentals, like you name it. I want to see the room. This is what I'm about to do. Let's start with a tour of the bedroom. Okay, so we walk into the bedroom. It is really, really cute the way it's been done. It's all in nude, neutral colors. It's pretty simple and straightforward room. As you come towards this window, I have a nice view on the palm trees, and there's a pool on the right there. I think you can see it. And there's also the ocean. So I have a really, really nice view for when I wake up in the morning. And this room gets really nice and light with the sun rays. Today it was a little bit cloudy, so we didn't get to see those sun rays, but maybe in the next couple of days. I've just done yoga, okay? Don't judge me. Moving on into the bathroom. I must say, this mirror is like the mirror of my dreams. And then this shower is just gigantic. An absolute pleasure to have showers in, and saying, not gonna lie, I had a private concert in it yesterday. It was awesome. You should have been there. Moving on into a little kitchenette area that I'm probably not gonna end up using, to be completely honest with you. And here we have the living room. It has a nice touch with like this lamp and the mirror, but honestly, the absolute best part of this whole entire apartment, you guys aren't ready for this. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ah! Can you cope? I can't. Can you believe that view? Ocean could be this warm. Holy shit. Ah! Oh fuck. You see this? That's the rain that's about to get me. Oh shit. Ah! It's not good. Not good. Dude. This is wild. Oh shit. This part is for all the people who are interested in all the things you need to do before you come to Barbados. For everyone who doesn't care about this, just fast forward to the next chapter. The first thing you need to do before you even start planning your travel is buy your tickets. The second thing you need to do is you need to go on their official website, where they will tell you to download this app called BIM Safe. And with this app, you have many questionnaires to fill out. In order to get to those questionnaires, you need to receive a QR code. You get this QR code when you log into the same website, Travel Barbados or something like this. I can link the links down below. So basically, you fill out a few of these questions and you get the receipt to your email, and this receipt, Travel Barbados receipt, contains a QR code, which then you will scan with your BIM Safe app, and it will open all of those questionnaires that you need to have filled out already before you even start your check-in. Now that you have your BIM Safe all filled out, you have your QR code or the Travel Barbados receipt, you can go on and purchase your PCR test, not the rapid one. The rapid one they don't take. It has to be the standard PCR, and it has to be within the 72 hours of landing onto the island. So this was a tricky math for me, but basically, if you are traveling on Thursday, you need to get your test booked for Tuesday, because Tuesday is the first day when you get your test, and then Wednesday and Thursday of the day of the flight is basically the third day, and you will get your test results on the second day. So this is probably the only combination that works. You get your test done 2 days before your departure. I would highly recommend for everyone to print out all of their documents just to have it on paper, because when you get here, it is an organized chaos, and it's the fastest if you have everything printed out, and it's the easiest for you and most stress-free, because if you're from the UK, the chances are that your telephone provider doesn't give you that go roam destination in Barbados. So you are internet free, and now you have to access all of your emails and your data, but you can't because you don't have internet. So this is why it's best to have it all printed out. Great. More rain. I had to change. Okay, stop texting me. Bye. Now that you have everything printed out, so on the check-in before you board your flight, they're gonna ask you to show them the BIM safe that you have filled out. If you haven't, they're gonna make you fill it out before they let you through. They are gonna ask for your PCR test, and that's it. When you get off at the airport in Barbados, this is where it's not a nightmare, because it's actually really well organized, but because they have so many restrictions and procedures, it's really, really annoying. And the fact that you land into such hot, humid climate is not making it any easier for you. And that room is not climatized or doesn't have AC. So pack up a lot of patience. So for this part, you're gonna have to prepare your COVID test results, your vaccination status proof. In my case, I printed out the NHS PDF file that you can download from the NHS app. And you also need to prepare your COVID ticket. Just make sure that when you arrive to Barbados, you've already had your second vaccination and it's been 14 days since. So because I was double vaccinated, I got that green band around my arm. And that only meant that I needed to quarantine until my PCR results come. Now, that's the second part. After you've landed and done all of your procedures and you've gotten your band, you can get a green, blue, orange, yellow, and red. I don't know what other ones means. I know what mine means. And I know also that blue one means that you're fully vaccinated. I just don't know what's the difference. And right at the airport, they're gonna do another PCR test, the rapid PCR test for you. And then you need to self-isolate until you get those results. Now on their website, it says that they are gonna arrive 24 to 48 hours. Most people got them after 24 hours, even much sooner. For me and whole plane that I was in, I know because I saw some people downstairs when I went to get my band cut and they still didn't receive their results. So for us, they arrived much later, like almost 48 hours later, which sucked, but hey, at least they arrived. Yeah, and that's basically it. Let's move on with the vlog. I had a nap. I'm finally free. I'm able to go anywhere I want. And I had a nap. How to get a taxi in Barbados, because they don't have Uber or they don't have Bolt or any of these apps. How am I supposed to get a taxi? Old school. Like I haven't been born in that era. I mean, I have. I'm way too old. But I don't know how. In Barbados, I have been procrastinating, sort of being scared of going down to reception to ask them about the taxi. I just have to do it. I just have to put my big girl panties on and go.
Oh, you can cook.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So much tomorrow for the girls at front desk.
Oh, maybe. We'll see.
Holiday. No big cooking now. You're on holiday.
Just a little bit of cooking.
Yeah.
What would be a like a traditional food that I must try?
Barbecue and chicken, pork, fish. And visitors like yourself come up here at night and they eat.
Okay.
Because it's a real open atmosphere. So normally, Barbadian food be kind of spicy.
Oh, okay.
It's not bland at all.
Okay. Is it very spicy?
Not very
A little
spicy.
bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it definitely has taste. Definitely has taste.
Oh, when I finished shopping, I saw a chicken in front of the supermarket. Coming from London, that is so weird to see, but also kind of cute. I know you want to see what I bought, so don't worry. Tea, because I have a tough time waking up in the mornings, and this one's with guarana. Hummus for snacking around, toast to go with it. I was shocked to find this oat milk there. According to my friend, this is the best oat milk in the world. Now I am an Oatly fan, so I'm gonna give it a try to this one. I got one apple. Got almond milk, Pringles, tiny pack just to make sure that I behave. A peanut butter. Oh my god, these things are so unhealthy. Speaking of unhealthy, I got this brownie fudge chocolate cake. This is actually something you would find in London on an international aisle. These pretzels with jalapeno. Okay, so spicy, I might actually die, but so freaking good. Wow. Hi, could I reserve a table for dinner? Ready! I have gotten ready. I put my makeup on, and when I say makeup, I mean lip gloss. I'm wearing this dress from Zara, and though it is a little bit short, I don't care, it's summer. The fact that I don't have to wear a bra with this dress makes this dress my favorite dress in the world. I hate bras. So tired. I came here, my tummy is full, my body is tired, and I'm feeling sleepy, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a really good night's sleep. Guys, this is the end of the first vlog in Barbados. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you had fun, because I know I did. Subscribe to hang out with me in the second vlog from Barbados as well.